You guys, welcome back to another Sunday breakdown. So this week we're gonna be doing a video on pattern repetition. So tune in on Tuesday. I'm gonna be posting it on Tuesday. You can actually watch it. So just subscribe and hit the subscribe button and the bell button also, so that you can get notification of that video. So what we have here is an inverse flag. So price was going down, consolidated, then we continued. So this is a flag that we have going to the downside. So we have the same thing that is actually currently forming here, so you can actually capitalize it. So how did we see that price changed the trend that it was actually moving in? So the trend was price was moving to the downside. So we have the high move to the downside, high move to the downside. Then on this area we had a break above. So after price broke, we were supposed to look for opportunities to the upside. So this was one of the opportunities that we actually found. So instead of price just shooting to the upside, continue, it had to slow down a little bit, then we can actually build momentum from there. So this is what we got. So this is the same thing as what we got over here. So price is actually currently testing the lower part. So we already ended. So this green darker shading, that's from our entry going to the upside. So this is where price is right now, and this is where this is where our profit is locked from now. So we just have to continue. So if we break above here, then there's another entry that you can actually get, and you can move to the upside. So that's the same as this. So after price moved from this area to here, it actually consolidated again, so on this area. So you can, even if you don't enter here, you can actually wait for another consolidation here, then price can continue. So this is the same consolidation, went to the downside here, then it actually take profit over this area. So that's the same as here. You can actually take the first profit here, wait for consolidation, take for another, like take another entry, then take profit at the end of the flag returns. So that's pretty much for EURUSD. Next page is USDCAD. So there is a lot of things that I didn't take into consideration on this pay last week. So we only had this channel and we had a break, then we had an ascending channel towards resistance. So I didn't take into consideration this line. So I actually drew it during the weekend, during the week, and I actually sent it into the group, and I was like, price faced this resistance, though it actually managed to break above. This is what happened. We had another ascending channel building momentum. So we had another ascending channel towards this inside resistance, and look what happened. Price fell sharply, consolidated a bit, fell sharply. Now it's actually consolidating again. So you have Monday or Tuesday to consider where you can actually enter this, and we can actually continue to the downside. So this, I'm only taking my first take profit over this area, so I can actually move to the downside again, because this is just a first take profit. We have the overall view is to take this take profit target. So after we take our take profit here, wait for consolidation, then we can actually continue to this end. So USDCAD, you still got time to consider if you want to enter or not. So what we're going to be talking about on the next video, I'm going to show you right now. So flex, they don't seem to amaze me a lot, so I wanted to show you this. So here we had price moving to the downside, we have consolidation, we continue to the downside. Almost the same what we have here. Stick, consolidation, continue to downside. I'm going to show you with this bar pattern. So we have our stick here from this area. Let me see exactly what I have. So don't tell me this look different from what we have here. So what we're gonna be talking about is like the market has a cycle, and like it always repeats the cycle. What happened here is what's gonna happen again on this area. So that was like 2 weeks ago, and you're gonna see it again this week. So don't expect anything different. Just trade the same thing, sell like the same volume, take your take profit where you have to take it. So on this area, I have to take my take profit just on this line. So I'm not really looking for big movements. Just sell it, go to the downside. So let me just show you how much percentage you'll be getting on T. Just a tight stop loss, just only 1%. So like 1%, 15. So, but that's a lot still. With GBP, just like a little bit of a big spread. So you are good even if you take like 0.2, 0.02. Volume size. Last pair is EURGBP. So what we had a descending channel and we had also this double top. So I was actually looking forward for price to break this neckline, push down to the downside, but I didn't do it. So it actually went up and it was actually a fast rally. And when we reached this area, we actually thought after this break, price gonna come back down and continue to the downside as fast as it came actually, but it didn't. So we have this resistance for now. Price, I'm actually looking for price to come back to the downside. So this will be my resistance. Then when price is actually moving to the upside, this will be my support. So what we have is an ascending channel. Just gonna zoom it in for you. It's an ascending channel, and it's actually left with a little bit of just a few pips to touch the entry. Then we can actually come back, then test this resistance that is going to be support, then we actually go back to the upside. So during the course of this week, that's what I'm looking for on EURGBP. There's not really much to look for like behind, so I didn't have any price action below like way back, so I could only work with what I have, and what I have is this support and this ascending channel. So that's pretty much it for this week. So if you like the video, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. As always, signing out.